Well, so far we showed you that we found some products on AliExpress, which is this site. And I think most people are already familiar with AliExpress. You can find a lot of suppliers there on AliExpress, and also a lot of products. The problem is, however, if we would look at our site right here, so we have 4 categories and we sell a couple of things, and just click one product. Now remember that those pictures they came from an AliExpress supplier, and we added the pictures to the website. And basically, if you would order this teddy bear, we will get the order. It would appear here in WooCommerce, so you will see orders coming in here. But the main issue is that you have to process each order manually. So it's not automated. You have to process each order manually. That means you will get an order here from a customer, and you would have to actually buy the product on AliExpress and give the customer address as the address where it has to be sent to. Now you can imagine that will take a lot of time, first, and also a lot of work, as in time and work. And I don't think you want to be spending your whole day just processing orders if your store is doing very well, and you would imagine you receive like 50 orders a day. Just keep a small amount, but if you would scale up, it would be even more. Think as in thousands of orders a day. So just think for yourself, would you process more than 1,000 orders a day, and for each order go to AliExpress, buy the product for the customer, and go back to your site and actually do some administrative stuff here, because you have to process the order here in WooCommerce. So basically that takes a lot of time. Now we found a solution to automate this whole process, and we found some good software that's called Alidropship, and we are going to show it to you right now. So we found a page for Alidropship Woo. This is the plugin you would need for WordPress. You can find Alidropship right here. We also put a link in the description of the video below. If you would click that link, it's an affiliate link. If you would click it, we would receive a small commission if you would decide to buy this product. And it would give us the opportunity to make great courses for free for you in the future. So if you would want to check out Alidropship, please use our affiliate link in the description. So you can see it only costs 89 bucks, and this is a one-time payment. So no subscriptions or anything, just 89 bucks. You can buy the software and it's yours to use, and saves a lot of money. Why you should use Alidropship Woo plugin? You can choose from unlimited range of products. You can send orders to AliExpress suppliers in just a click. You will save time and boost your income. That's very true. That's why we suggest this plugin to you. Benefit from one-time payment for the plugin, indeed, and enjoy free lifelong plugin updates and guidance. So let me repeat that to you. This plugin will automate the most part of your ordering processing when you do drop shipping with AliExpress. Only costs $89, which is a one-time payment, and you will get free lifelong plugin updates and guidance for $89. Let that sink in. So here are some success stories from people. Here you can read about all the features that Alidropship Woo has. What you like the most is automated order, of course, auto updating of your products. You can import products with the Chrome extension. You can use the cashback system on AliExpress and save up for bonuses. Pricing automation, so pricing will be updated automatically. Auto order tracking, absolutely awesome. And product reviews, you can import product reviews for each product on AliExpress, which will boost confidence for your website and your brand, because the visitor will see all the product reviews, and that will build trust. So you will have free updates and support, and it's compatible with all WooCommerce themes. That's very important. Here you can read some more reviews, and again it's just $89. And here are some stats on social media you can find right there. Because we don't have this plugin running on our own website, we will look at the demo. You can see the demo or try the demo yourself by going to resources on the website and then click on try demo. Over here I already opened the demo, so I'm gonna click there. And we're gonna take a look. Let's click on Alidropship Woo, and you will see the menu for Alidropship. Now if you click on reports, you would see traffic reports if you would have your Google Analytics set up here. You can check activity lists, so you can see what happened with products. For example, if a product would have been deleted, you would see it here. Import section. So this is the import product section. Over here you will have a list with all the products that are already imported into the Alidropship plugin. So basically how this works, if you would find a product on AliExpress and you will have the Alidropship extension for Chrome installed into your Chrome browser, you can select products and you can add them to the Alidropship extension. And after you've done some shopping for products, for to say it like that, you can easily import all the products into Alidropship Woo. Now here you can see that you can import reviews, and you can choose from a bunch of settings right here, and it will import reviews for you for products. If you would decide to get more imports, you can click right here and you can choose a package that you would like. So over here we have the settings menu. It's all very easy, as you can see. This is the pricing. So here you can do automated pricing, which is absolutely awesome, because this will save you so much time. Now you can also set currency right here. So if you would not be living in the US, you could enter euro, for example, or Great British pounds. Now here's updates. And you can see it's updating the product list right now. You will see the progress right here, and you could actually click update now and it will start updating. So this will update all the products that you have imported into Alidropship Woo. So these are the attributes that you can manage. Appearance. Here you can do settings for the appearance of Alidropship Woo. Export settings. So you can choose from a bunch of things to export. Now let's go to tracking. So if you would have an order, you could see how far the order is and if there's any tracking status available, delivery, order status, processing, as you can see. Add-ons. So these are add-ons that you can buy. You can always take a look at if you find something nice or interesting here. Abandoned cart is an option, for example, if which one is free. And over here you would have your license file. So this was a quick run through for Alidropship Woo. And you can see, you could have seen you can import products into your Alidropship Woo plugin, which will be imported in your WooCommerce store. Let's see if we could find that in the demo right here. And we would suspect it would be in products. And indeed, you can see the imported products are available in the store here. And you can click on one product, for example. Let's okay, let's try this one. And you can see that it actually imported everything from AliExpress. So that's awesome, right? It imported pictures, description. You can see all the featured pictures here. And if we would click on view, that should be in the permalink, okay. So this is how it looks like, and the DaVinci theme is one of the themes you will get with Alidropship Woo. It's especially for stores. And it's made in such a way that it is very responsive and quick for your visitors who are coming to your website. And as you can see, this is an imported product from AliExpress, and it works so easy with Alidropship Woo because it literally imports everything for you. The only thing you may consider doing is, because that's not always a good thing on AliExpress, to my opinion, is make your own product description right here and get rid of all this. Make your own product description so it will be personal, branding, and convincing the visitor to convert from visitor into buyer, into customer. So as you've seen so far with the demo, Alidropship Woo is awesome, and this will save you so much time and also so much money because of the one-time payment of $89. So if you would like to test Alidropship Woo plugin, see the demo, test yourself, you can click on the link that we have in the video description here below. And if you would decide to purchase the product because you already saw how awesome it is, please use the link in the video description. It's an affiliate link, so we will make a small commission if you would buy the product, and it would enable us to keep creating free courses for you like this one.